For the regular grid of circles, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to accomplish this. Anytime we have a regular grid, one of the options is just to use something that's been built into Illustrator for years and years, which is a grid that sits in the background. We can show it and we can have the program snap to that grid. In this way, we could take the ellipse tool and just go from corner to corner on any of these grids. It'll make a circle, and we can just repeat that over and over again, get our regular grid of circles. Now that works fine, but there are newer tools built into Illustrator to help us see where we have intersections with things when we're aligned. Let's try to use those. So I'm going to turn off the grid and stop snapping to it. Now I'll go back to my ellipse tool. I'll start drawing a circle, and to constrain it to be a circle instead of an ellipse, I'm going to hold down Shift, so that constrains the shape. Now I'm going to go over to my regular black selection tool. As I start dragging this, if I hold down Option on the Mac or Alt on the PC, you can see the double arrow mouse indicator. That means we're going to make a copy when we let go. As I drag, it shows when I'm intersecting and when I'm aligned. I can also hold down Shift to make sure the dragging is constrained in this direction. And I'm just going to let go. Now if I want to do this transformation again, which is just a movement over a certain direction, I can go to Object, Transform, and Transform again. You can see the shortcut for this is Command-D on the Mac or Control-D on the PC. And I remember that shortcut by thinking of it as do it again, do it again. So I'll hit that. You can see him make another one. And I just hit Command-D, Command-D, and now we've got our 5 in a row. I can do the same thing now with this whole row of circles, highlight them all with the selection tool, start dragging them up, hold down Option to make a copy as I drag, hold down Shift to constrain, and let go when we're intersecting. Do it again, do it again, do it again, and we've got our grid.